Welcome to my ultimate course on creating stunning 3D game asset. We'll start from scratch in Plasticity and I'll share my tips and tricks, just like I always do. Together, we will dive into volume and surface modeling, depending on the type of mesh we're working on throughout the course. This weapon I'm creating may not be overly detailed, but I drew inspiration from the game Mass Effect 3, and I've reproduced the primary weapon and added some exciting tweaks to it. Trust me, this will be more than enough to teach you how to create a 3D low-res weapon that you can use in game engine or for showcasing in your portfolio. As always, you can rest assured that you won't miss a thing from what I've planned to teach you. I'll take you through my entire workflow, being meticulous and attentive, especially in crucial aspects like artifacts, textile density, and biasing UVs and stuff like that. I'll run tests and eliminate those pesky gremlins that often pop up on your baked meshes. This weapon consists of 50 loose parts. While it may seem simple, it's quite the opposite, folks. Once we unwrap it, we will have tons of UV islands to manage. We will face the dilemma of how many materials to use and how many UV tiles we really need for both game use and our portfolio. We will definitely need more than just one UV tile due to the sheer number of UV shells. I'll cover everything you need to know throughout the course. The course is narrated clearly and concisely only when necessary. For example, there are 27 videos on retopology, okay? But only 17 are narrated. I'll provide tips and tricks for the remaining 10 videos. After those 17 videos, you'll have a solid grasp of the material, right? No need for unnecessary chatter. This doesn't mean you won't be able to follow along with the rest. Okay, here is my advice. Watch the first 17 videos, and if you feel confident enough, skip the rest and jump to the next series. However, if you're a total beginner, I recommend going you through all of them. Sounds good? Now let's dive into the software and add-ons you'll need for this course. Here is the lineup. So 1. Plasticity 3D. Any version will do just fine. 2. Blender. We will use this for manual retopology. 3. Rhizome UV. Again, any version works. Substance Painter. I'm currently using in version 4.7. And finally, Marmoset Toolbag. This is essential for creating some stunning renders for our portfolio to showcase our product. Okay, now let's talk about the add-ons for Blender. Here is what you'll need. Delta Quad. This handy tool helps straighten up polygon strips. Retopo Flow Master. This one is essential. I'll provide a dedicated video on how to use it. Speed Retopo Flow, a great alternative, but I recommend using both. Okay, I've also included a video tutorial for this one. Text Tools. This is a must-have, so make sure to install it. UV Packer, another essential. So for this one, I recommend checking out the website and following the installation instruction carefully. If you don't, it simply won't work. Got it? And finally, Textile Density Checker. Oh, I almost forgot to mention, make sure to install the HardOps kit. It'll make your life so much easier for tasks like radial arrays, adding mirror modifiers, and a bunch of other handy features. But hey, it's not a must-have, okay? Feel free to install it only if you want to. Now enjoy the rest of the breakdown, folks. I'm putting some piece of text on the screen explaining what I'll be doing along the course. Okay, I truly hope you consider purchasing my course. The reward of seeing all my hard work over the months pay off is the greatest gift you could give me. But it's not just about the money, folks. I've struggled for years, striving for perfection, and I know that the journey of learning never truly ends. There's still so much for me to learn, but what I do know, believe me, it's a wealth of knowledge I want to share with all of you beginners out there. So stay tuned and engaged, it'll be ready for you soon.